How will game installation work on the PS5? Best answer, games on PS5, whether physical or digital, can be installed in configurable blocks, allowing players to download only certain sections, like either the single player or multiplayer. Right now it's all or nothing. You either download the entire game, or you delete the entire game. There is no middle ground. Some games do allow you to choose which component is downloaded first, like the single player or multiplayer, so that you can hop into whichever you want right away before the game installation completes. But the entire game will still need to be downloaded. Game installation on PS5 will be more configurable, according to an interview between Mark Cerny and Wired. Rather than treating games like a big block of data, we're allowing finer-grained access to the data. This means that players should be able to choose which parts of games they want to download, like just the single player or multiplayer. Players could even install the entire game and decide to uninstall the single player campaign once they've beaten it, leaving the multiplayer component ready to play and freeing up storage space on the console. Yes, just like with PS4, physical games on PS5 will still need to be installed. This does not mean that you can play physical games without the discs. The discs will still need to be used so that the PS5 can verify the game's license if you purchased a physical copy. On the PS5 digital edition, you won't be able to play physical discs at all. Everything is downloaded directly to its internal SSD. Pick up a PlayStation Store gift card and get access to nearly every game available. PS5 games may not be popping up until this holiday, but you can get a start on some of those PS4 games you've been meaning to play. The PS5 isn't available for pre-order just yet, but a few retailers are letting fans sign up for notifications so they don't miss out. The DualSense should hopefully make all of its upcoming games more immersive than ever before. With the expectation of backward compatibility on PlayStation 5, our libraries of games are already looking good for the new console. But how will those games look next to new releases? Here is a list of games we are hoping to see enhanced for PS5. The new generation PlayStation is kind of a chonky boy. Your current entertainment stand may not have the space for it. But here are some great options if you need to upgrade. If someone ever tells you to get good at a video game, don't sweat it. Pick yourself up a pair of thumb grips for your PlayStation 4 controller and watch your game take off. These are the best ones you can find. Jennifer Locke has been playing video games nearly her entire life. If a controller's not in her hands, she's busy writing about everything PlayStation. You can find her obsessing over Star Wars and other geeky things on Twitter at JenLocke95. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.